Hey everyone, as Huawei gears up to unveil its latest wearable, the Watch GT5, on September 19, 2024, there has been much excitement surrounding the new features and appearance updates. This release comes just after the revolutionary Mate X-T Tri-Fold smartphone, marking a significant leap in Huawei's portfolio. Let's take a closer look at what the Huawei Watch GT5 promises, based on leaks and renders, and how it compares to its predecessor, the Huawei Watch GT4, launched a year earlier. The Huawei Watch GT5 is expected to carry over much of the Watch GT4's sleek appearance. Available in two dimensions, 41mm and 46mm, the Watch GT5 offers a stainless steel body with a metal bezel and 5 ATM water resistance, ensuring durability and style. The 46mm version will be available in black, while the 41mm variant comes in new colors like Jana Blue and Jana Gold. Comparatively, the Watch GT4 shares similar sizing and materials, with 50mm water resistance, and standard 22mm or 20mm straps. However, the GT5's refreshed color options and continued focus on premium build quality with its metal accents offer a more modern aesthetic. Both versions of the Watch GT5 are equipped with AMOLED screens, with the 41mm variant featuring a 1.32-inch display, and the 46mm model boasting a 1.43-inch display. These high-resolution displays promise excellent clarity and vivid colors, ideal for outdoor viewing. The Huawei Watch GT4 also features a 1.43-inch AMOLED display with a 466 by 466 pixel resolution. In terms of display quality, both generations are quite similar, though the GT5 could potentially offer improvements in brightness and power efficiency. One of the standout features of the Watch GT series has always been battery life, and the Watch GT5 doesn't disappoint. The 41mm version is expected to offer up to 7 days of battery life, while the 46mm model could last up to 14 days on a single charge. These numbers match those of the Watch GT4, which also delivers long battery life across both dimensions. For users who prioritize extended usage without frequent charging, both the GT4 and GT5 offer similar performance. However, software optimizations in the new GT5 may slightly improve battery efficiency, particularly when using fitness and health tracking features. The most notable upgrade in the Huawei Watch GT5 is the inclusion of Huawei's TruSense health monitoring system. This system promises enhanced accuracy and speed in tracking vital health metrics like body temperature, heart rate, and SpO2 levels. Additionally, the Health Glance feature, which allows users to check over 10 health metrics within 60 seconds, including ECG, cardiovascular risks, and stress levels, is a major advancement for those focused on health tracking. The Watch GT4 also boasts an array of sensors for health tracking, including heart rate, SpO2, and body temperature monitors. However, the GT5's advanced sensors and quicker evaluation capabilities set it apart as a more comprehensive health companion. For fitness enthusiasts, the Huawei Watch GT5 continues the trend of supporting over 100 sports modes and offering built-in navigation with GPS and GNSS. These features allow users to track their outdoor activities with high precision. The Watch GT4 also supports a wide range of fitness activities and accurate GPS positioning. However, the GT5's new hardware and possible software refinements may offer improved accuracy and more seamless fitness tracking, making it an even better choice for athletes and outdoor adventurers. Both the Watch GT5 and Watch GT4 lack cellular connectivity, focusing instead on Bluetooth communication. The GT5 may, however, introduce NFC payments and expanded HarmonyOS support for smoother app integration, building on the software improvements seen in HarmonyOS 4.0 and the GT4. Pricing for the Huawei Watch GT5 is expected to start around €250, making it competitive with other premium smartwatches. The Huawei Watch GT4 debuted at €270, so Huawei seems to be aiming for a similar price range with its latest offering. The Huawei Watch GT5 brings incremental but significant updates over the Watch GT4, especially in terms of health tracking accuracy and faster health assessments with its TruSense system. Both watches offer excellent battery life, vibrant AMOLED displays, and comprehensive fitness tracking, but the Watch GT5 edges out its predecessor with more advanced health features and enhanced software. For users who already own the Watch GT4, the decision to upgrade will largely depend on the importance of these new health features. However, for those looking for a new, feature-rich smartwatch, the Huawei Watch GT5 is set to be an excellent choice, offering both style and substance in the wearable market. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.